Here's a new 2019 Buick Enclave. Smart, sleek, and beautiful, it shatters expectations of what a crossover should be. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: Bluetooth streaming audio, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, V6 engine, hands-free liftgate, automatic with driver control suspension management, and automatic transmission. For Buick, the efficient, stylish, upscale crossover had single-handedly resuscitated a brand that previously looked as healthy as Oldsmobile. In a Buick, you get innovative technology and sophisticated design for the real world. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.